What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and today I'm going to show you how to block contacts and phone numbers from contacting you on your iPhone. So first we'll go ahead and open up our iPhone, and first I'm going to show you how to block a number that may have called you, like a spam caller, from your recent call list. So we'll go to phone, and this number right here, I'm going to click on the I, and I actually have this number already blocked. But where you see unblock this caller, let's just unblock them. If you click block this caller, it'll ask you, because this is a spam call, so I blocked them. It'll ask you to block. I blocked it. And if you want to look at your blocked list, maybe to unblock somebody or whatever, this is also the way you would need to block a contact. If you go into settings, scroll down to phone, you'll see call blocking and identification. These are all the numbers that I have blocked because I get a lot of spam calls, and now I don't really get many because I keep blocking them. If you see at the bottom, you'll see block contact. That'll pull up your contact list, and you can block somebody that may be bothering you, whatever the case is. But this is where you do that. If you want to unblock somebody, you would hit at the top where you see edit, the top right. Just gonna pick a random one. Click on the little red dot, and you will see unblock right there if you want to unblock them. Now this also blocks them from sending you text messages. Anything contacting you in any way with that phone number, this method will block that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-tos so you can learn how to Apple without the E.